Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set a Gmail email to expire in 1 week using Gmail's confidential mode on your phone. This handy feature lets you send emails that automatically expire after a set time, preventing recipients from forwarding, copying, printing, or downloading your message. Perfect for sensitive or private information. To start, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap the Compose button located in the bottom right corner to create a new email. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the 3 dots icon to open additional options. From the menu, select Confidential Mode. A new screen will appear with options to customize your email's confidentiality. Under the Set Expiry section, choose the option that says Expire in 1 week. After selecting this, tap Save to confirm your settings. Your email will now be set to automatically expire 1 week after the recipient opens it. Now, fill in the recipient's email address, your subject line, and the message you want to send. When you've finished composing your message, tap Send. Your email will go out with confidential mode enabled, ensuring the content is protected and expires as scheduled. Keep in mind, once your email expires, the recipient will no longer have access to the message or any attachments. Also, confidential mode doesn't prevent someone from taking a screenshot or photo of your email, but it does restrict actions like forwarding and copying for better control over your information. That's it. Using Gmail's confidential mode to send emails that expire in 1 week is simple and adds an extra layer of privacy to your communication. Thanks for listening, and be sure to use this feature whenever you want to keep your emails secure and temporary.